Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie
On
Durden.
this Monday morning, we are waking up to a little bit of cloud cover throughout northern portions of Broward and down by the middle and the lower Keys. We are expecting the possibility of some patchy fog this morning throughout inland Broward and Miami-Dade, so just be safe out there. Otherwise, mostly dry conditions throughout Miami-Dade, Broward. The showers we've been mentioning have been down by the middle and the lower Keys. We're talking an isolated shower, maybe a drizzle, more or less. We aren't expecting that much in the way of precipitation today. Rain chances are slim to none because we have high pressure in place that's providing for the dry air in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, and that will inhibit any widespread chance of showers or storms. Let's talk temperatures. Our wind flow moving in off the ocean, keeping us a bit humid this morning. Temperatures running well above average. We've got the lower 70s, Pompano Beach, as well as Fort Lauderdale, lower 60s in Pembroke Pines, 71 in Miami, 70 in Miccosukee, 68 in Homestead with an east-southeast wind anywhere between 5 and 7 miles per hour. Down by the Keys, a temperature of 71 in Key West, 72 in Marathon with a northeast wind anywhere between 7 and 8 miles per hour. Our weather pattern pretty tranquil with high pressure in place over the western Atlantic. It's acting as a roadblock, keeping the storm systems to the north. And you can see we're tracking 2 major storms, one moving into portions of the Pacific Northwest. The tail end of the frontal boundaries bringing some rain throughout the northern and central portions of California. Higher elevations dealing with snow, even in towards Nevada. The other system, you can see that spin, that's the low, moving in towards portions of the western Great Lakes, bringing snow throughout Minneapolis, Wisconsin, and ahead of it, temperatures are more mild, so we're seeing rain stretching all the way down towards the Tennessee Valley. Temperatures ahead of that front, 50s and 60s and 70s. Behind the front, much cooler. We've got the teens, the 20s, and the 30s. Now, because of the contrast between the cold air behind the system and the warm air rising from the Gulf of Mexico, there is a tornado watch box in effect for portions of Alabama this morning, and we are watching a severe thunderstorm watch box for Kentucky. The severe weather will be a possibility throughout the day throughout the southeast United States. Will be warmer. Our highs today will be in the lower 80s with a slight chance of an isolated shower off that ocean breeze, but the strong storms will stay away from us. Going to the marine forecast, there is a threat of recurrence if you're headed to the beach. Enjoy this weather. Make sure you're swimming by a lifeguard. The bay will be at a moderate chop if you'd like to do some boating. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories, and nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today, a couple degrees warmer than yesterday, lower 80s, mostly dry conditions with breeze moving in from the southeast. Lows in the low 60s inland, upper 60s for the coast. Patchy fog could develop tomorrow morning. We'll stay under this weather pattern till Thursday going into Friday. Then we're expecting a weak front to move in, increasing our rain chances. Once it clears, we'll see our temperatures drop only a few degrees as we go into the weekend. Have a wonderful Monday.